Hey y'all, I'm in the process of upgrading my M1009 springs. I got the Husky 22402 HD off Rock Auto, about 140 bucks a piece. Shipping was about 60 bucks on that. I've got U-bolts on order that are coming in. I haven't been able to install it yet, but while I'm upgrading the springs, and these are the normal springs that come on the CUCV or 3-leaf, and these are the 4-leaf, and they're rated up to 1,900 pounds, I believe. I can put the link in the description if you guys want to check those out. So I was really excited and looking forward to installing these springs, and I ran into a bit of an issue. Since I was upgrading the springs, I got me some polyurethane bushings from Energy Suspension, and there's the part number 3.2105G, and the bushings went in great, good fit. You can see there the sleeves actually went in really good, but one of the big problems I was having was the sleeve itself. The inside diameter is just a little bit small. So when I went to put the factory shackle bolt, and there's two on each side, 2 bolts for each side on the shackle. So the rear shackle, I didn't have any issue with the front. The front's fine. The rear shackle, both those, sleeve goes in inside of those bushings. And these are the factory bolts. And when I went to put the bolts in, they don't fit. So just a little too small. So let me know if anybody else has had this issue. Some guys were saying that they bought the same kit and theirs went in fine. I called the number on the box to Energy Suspension. I got a hold of the tech guy right away. There was no wait time, so that was good. Got right to him, told him the issue I was having, and I said, oh, by the way, this is a CUCV M1009. And he's like, well, the R&D department is not in yet. Let me get back to you. About 2 hours later, they called me back. They said, hey, we did some research. It turns out that it looks like the military Blazer has beefier suspension and therefore larger bolts. These are 7/16, by the way. The diameter of these bolts are 7/16. Inside diameter of these are just under 7/16. And since the parts are under warranty, I did buy this kit off Amazon, but they said they'll send me an email, fill out the information, and they'll send me the next size up sleeve that should work. They said there shouldn't be a problem. The next size up is 1/2 inch, but they said once everything is torqued down inside the new sleeve, there shouldn't be an issue. So I've done that. Those are on order. I'll try to do a follow-up on how everything installs, but just know if you're going to order this kit that you may run into an issue with your factory bolts being too large for the inside diameter of the shackle bushing sleeves. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope this helps.